Me and my dad, we built this aviary about a year, going on 2 years ago. Building it with my dad, blood, sweat, and tears. Countless hours. There's been events that's been happening throughout my life that let me know that I should be doing falconry. One day I see a juvenile American bald eagle stuck in the gate. And I was like, oh my God. So I called my dad, and luckily he was over Southeast at the time, and he put up within 15 minutes. He scales this fence that has like a 20, 25-foot drop. I'm like, Dad, you can fall off of that. You can be hurting. He like, nah, man, we gonna get her. This dude takes his belt off, ties his belt around the pole.
Look at my fall, y'all. Oh, man.
He was actually willing to sacrifice himself for that bird that he don't even know, never work with. And he was just like, man, look, man, on the count of 3, we're gonna release her, and hopefully she fly away, man.
You ready? Go ahead.
He was just in shock. He was just happy. He was like, man, this ain't no coincidence. This ain't no coincidence, man. When you gonna get your wings? When you gonna get your wings?